Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore some powerful and often overlooked ways to organize your files and folders inside Google Drive. If you work with a large number of folders, you already know how difficult it can be to quickly locate the exact file or folder you need. By default, everything in Google Drive looks the same, mostly gray folders, all blending together. But today, I'll show you how to make your drive visually clearer, easier to navigate, and much more efficient using stars, folder colors, and even emojis or icons in your folder names. Let's get started. To begin, Google Drive gives you the ability to star certain folders. To star a folder, select the folder and click on the start symbol. Starring adds a small highlight and makes it easier to filter items later. On the left sidebar, you can click the Starred section and instantly view only the files and folders you've starred. You can add colors to your folders, and not just a few colors, but a full range of options. To color a folder, select the folder, click on the three dots to open a small menu. Then click Organize, and select your desired color. Maybe you want your finance folders to be green, your personal files in blue, your creative work in yellow, or something urgent in red. These visual cues help your brain instantly locate what you're looking for without scanning long lists. Now, let's take this even further. Besides folder colors, you can add icons or emojis directly to your folder titles. To do that, copy icon or emoji from website like emojipedia.org. Open your favorite icon and then copy it. If you want to rename the folder you have already created, then select it and from the small menu select Rename. Paste the icon. The icon appears now in the title. This is an amazing trick for visual learners. Immediately, the folder stands out from the rest. You can do this with any folder. Let's take another example, a folder named Office Data. If you want to add a flame emoji, just copy it from Emojipedia and paste it into the folder title. This time, you might choose to add the emoji at the beginning of the name. When you rename the folder, something interesting happens. The folder may jump to the top of the list. Why? Because emojis are sorted differently based on Unicode order. Some people like this because it brings their most important folders to the top automatically. Others prefer sticking to alphabetical order. It's completely up to you. If you're using grid view in Google Drive, emojis added at the beginning of the folder title will also appear clearly, making them easy to spot. But remember, if your folder names are very long, emojis may not appear unless you hover over the name. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step lessons. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos from this full course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.